Maayong adlaw sa tanan, magmeeting ta with Bisayang VA, Sir Nick and Sween. A day in the life of an event organizer ang atake! So, sa padulong ko og Miss Bridget, no? First time nako din ha, pero mao na mo ang meeting place para sa SEO conference. And the conference will be next year. Hopefully, everything will fall into place. But this is a documentary towards the event. So we are already on the early stage of planning, but today we're gonna meet with the finance so we can do costing and the possible expenses for the event. Most near the meeting place, punta na pagkaon. Ay! Kaon na po! So we're looking at multiple speakers for the event, especially digital marketers, and focusing more on SEO strategies that are helping businesses in the industry. So good luck everybody! Who else? Mga representatives sa Ahrefs, CMrush, Google. Hope we can get in touch. Are they? Not yet. Murag mao naman ata. Nagsunod rami. If asa na sila. Hoy! Asa naman mo? Bit 4-4.
Ma'am, 4 ball ka po. Pwede check din.
This is a nice place. So, kay nagulat pa man ni nila Tony o Miss Swin kay late sila. Magkaan sa aming conversation starter ni Sir Nick na ha.
Hello! One ako what's your online personality versus real me?
Same ka ba? Really no.
Pili.
And then, hindi ka mag-check kung
Okay.
kuhaan sila.
Sige.
Sabi
Well, baka.
Sa mga tulog na, gipauti na mo ang yaya para na yung magbantay. Maintenance o community maintenance.
So progression na lang towards the feedback.
Towards the feedback and the community maintenance na parang
Restricta kaya itong Thank you, Miss Bridget. Bye! Initial meeting finally done. Stay tuned for further updates. Good luck sa ato